Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma on your iPhone. First, download the Figma app from the Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your existing Figma account credentials. You'll then gain immediate access to all your recent design files and projects, ready for viewing and basic interaction right from your mobile device. This makes reviewing designs on the go incredibly convenient. Navigating your designs on the iPhone is intuitive. You can easily pinch with 2 fingers to zoom in or out, getting a closer look at details or an overview of your entire project. To move around the canvas, simply drag with 1 finger. Tapping on a frame allows you to select and inspect its properties, while the Layers panel helps you locate specific elements quickly. Collaboration is a key strength of Figma, even on your iPhone. You can add comments directly to specific design elements, providing precise feedback to your team. Replying to existing comments keeps conversations organized and ensures everyone is on the same page. Sharing design links is simple, allowing others to view and comment, helping you stay updated on all project changes effortlessly. While the Figma iPhone app is powerful for viewing and commenting, it's important to remember that editing capabilities are limited. It's best used for reviewing designs, providing feedback, and staying connected to your projects. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection for seamless synchronization of your work. Keeping your Figma app updated will also ensure you have access to the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.